good evening. And another life on the bigger pick up all. Good evening. Oh my god, volleyball. Hi, thank you for the concept. Watching now. Hi! Oh my god, thank you. Kumusta? Kumusta? No, hi, salamat sa patamsak. Salamat sa patamsak. Kumusta ka na dyan? Salamat. Thank you sa tamsak. In another life, I'll be here. Sometimes in Florida. Oh, again. Sometimes before stuck in Florida. Now sometimes in Florida. Good evening, Sheryl. Hello. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Too long here because of having a volleyball. Almost gay. The volleyball. Pick up all the promises. I'm back from Mexico now. Oh, we're back now. Oh, thank you for the 22 now. Hello guys. Salamat. Thumbs up naman. The cameraman. Thank you. Thank you. How you say that? Thank you, Dave for Martin. Thank you for the 3 damzak. Salamat. Thank you so much. Thank you for the thumbs up. 4 thumbs up now. Salamat. Thank you for all people here now. Thank you sa nag-heart. Rave North. Pick up all the promises and things. Pray to faith. Nizias Jares. Hi! 5 people give the thumbs up. Hello, 25 people visiting my live. Thank you so much, guys. How are you guys? Hello, thank you. Salamat. Salamat. Maingay dito sa amin. Can you stand up for a moment? You look like you're in a great shape. No, not great shape. I'm thin. Much thin. Thin. I'm a small lady. Woman, not a lady. Good evening, sis, and happy birthday kay Gab. Thank you, sis. Gab's birthday is sa happy birthday. Happy day. Masaya si Gab. Thank you sa nagtatamsak. Salamat. Salamat sa nagtatamsak, tumatamsak, dumadaan, tumatambay. Hello. Let's see finish. Let's see. This is. Oh my God. Stop beautiful. Hi, Oswald. Nadagdagan naman edad na mo ni gabi. Ay, mao pala. Happy birthday, sis! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Oh, matindog daw ako na ako kay model. Mamodel ako sa aking mga fans here. Some viewers here. Tama na. May bayad yun, ha? You need to pay me Dave Nordson because I stand. Charot. John. Joke. That's my talent fee. My gulay. It's full of. Thank you for thumbs up, everyone. In another life. Thank you for the thumbs-up sa tumathamsak. Thank you so much. Oh my God. Sleepy na. Ayan. Wake up all the premises. Just subscribe and you stood up for me. Haha. Thank you. Thank you for subscribing, Narta. Thank you so much. Manny Fernandez. Hi, kumusta na? Kilala mo pa ba ako? Naalala kita. Naalala kita, Manny. Salamat sa nag-heart dyan. Thank you for the heart. Manny English. Manny, can you speak English, Manny? Because I have a manager. My manager is need to know. Salamat sa na tumatawa. Tuwang-tuwa ka. Good job. Too much. Ay, nag-stop siya ng tawa. Eh, bakit naman? It's fine. Wala, mahina ako sa English, Korean language na lang. Hala. Hindi niya alam ang Korean language. Ako din, hindi ko maintindihan. May dead na, ayan. Salamat sa nagtatawag sa akin. Thank you so much. Wala, mahina. Yung sayo ulam. Tuyo. Tuyo ang ulam. Money, money, money. Money, money, money. Hands up. Gumaganda ka ngayon yata. Puyat nga eh. Puyat, wala makain. Taghirap, taggutom, tapos maganda. Oh my God. Sa pangyari yun? It's a magic. Suddenly it's a magic. Charot. Thank you sa 8 people here. Thank you so much. Hi, Golden. Oh my, welcome back, Golden. Long time no here. Get the head of the tiger. game outside. Yes, always, every night. You know what? This coming starting Monday, starting Monday, have an event here because disco, the games, every night. So can't sleep well here every night in 1 week. Oh my, no, not 1 week. Even in the past weeks. Hello, hi. I said English money. Money. My manager is very strict. He's from America. Sorry. Gustuhin ko man na manatili kayo kasi charot, joke lang. Hindi kasi gusto niya talaga ng wait, you're right next to it. Golden Frieza, I'm the third, I'm the top lowest mother queen competition here. Not queen. I'm not queen. Good evening, Cheryl. How are you? Hi, guys. I'm fine. Thank you for joining here. It sounds like it's right outside your house. Yes. Yes, right outside my house. Yes. Nah. You're right, Golden. Thank you so much for the 10 thumbs up, guys. Thank you so much, people here. Thank you, guys. Much appreciated. Thank you. Glad the my phone cooperate now and also the Wi-Fi. I do live well tonight. This time. Last night, I think it's what happened. Last night or another. They be having a late game and you can't sleep. Yeah. Can't sleep every night. Can't sleep. Can't sleep. Yes. Every night, no break. Yeah. Yes, every night. Oh my god. They always have every night rain. Oh my god. Wake up, oh my magulo. Missy Rome now. Missy place. Every night, yes. Oh my god. that mean need to go to bed early before it starts. Ah, yes. But, well, still preparing food for that time. So, not possible. Ay. Thank you, Golden. Thank you to nag-stay. I need to end the live now. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. See you later. God bless us. Bye. Oh my God. I'm tired. Bye-bye. God bless you. Aray ko. You going to bed. You're going to be sleeping. Yes. Bye-bye. Need to sleep now.